How do personal and subject matter jurisdiction differ in legal cases? Imagine you're trying to find the right court to handle a case. It's like choosing the right tool for a job. Knowing which court has the authority is key. That's where understanding jurisdiction comes in. Jurisdiction is the legal power a court has to hear and decide cases. Without it, any decision made could be invalid. There are two main types you need to know about: personal jurisdiction and subject matter jurisdiction. Personal jurisdiction is about the court's power over the people involved. It means the court can make decisions that legally bind the defendant. Usually, this depends on where the defendant lives or does business. For example, if someone lives in the state where the court is located, the court generally has personal jurisdiction over them. It can also include cases where the defendant owns property or has done business in that state. But this can be waived if the defendant agrees to be heard in that court. Subject matter jurisdiction is different. It's about what kind of case the court can hear. Think of it as the court's specialty. Some courts can only hear certain types of cases. For instance, federal courts handle cases involving federal laws or disputes between people from different states. State courts, on the other hand, handle most local issues like family law or traffic tickets. If a court doesn't have the right subject matter jurisdiction, any decision it makes is not valid. In real life, a court needs both types of jurisdiction to move forward. If a case involves a federal question, like a constitutional issue, the federal court must have subject matter jurisdiction. But it also needs personal jurisdiction over the defendant, which means they must have a connection to the state. For example, if someone from another country files a lawsuit in a state court, the court must check if it has personal jurisdiction over that person. Understanding these differences helps ensure cases are heard in the right court. It's a vital part of the legal system. Judges and lawyers carefully verify jurisdiction before proceeding. If either personal or subject matter jurisdiction is missing, the case can be dismissed or the judgment can be overturned. This keeps the legal process fair and proper.